7th edition of Personal Structures, run in parallel with the Bienal di Venezia. And after 7 months, today is the last day of this year's exhibition. This morning we had a closing ceremony where we awarded the best work, the best project of this year's exhibition. And in the afternoon we had 2 beautiful performances, one from the Italian artist Michelangelo Brancato and one from Alydia Wever from Aruba.
The parallel momentum of the island of Aruba, but also wanted to share with you.
Mi acaba di presentare un art performance kinang na Palazzo Mora na Venezia. Kuta un performance basa ariba i parti di overtourism kuta parallel kinang kami ku Venezia. Dus het is een experienza eigenlijk interactivo, kutawata ku publico tambe. E performance anche ta parte di un video art kuta guarda presenta ora aqui na Miami e trabalhando Venezuela, Colombia e Aruba kuta chama Clarividente, Afterlight. É uma seleção, é parte de uma seleção di Miami New Media Festival que cumpri 20 anos aqui lá. Quero agradecer Miami New Media Festival, ACC Italy, e também Mondrian Fonds para o momento maquinari para o suporte. E também danke special na Diego Giraldo para a bonita vestida e performance.
It's such a pleasure to have Alydia in our closing ceremony, and we hope to welcome her again here in Venice for future projects.